Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Buys. Today we're going to unbox and review Mobvoi Treadmill. I don't know you, but during the pandemic last year, everybody was going crazy trying to find fitness equipment like dumbbells and treadmills, and everything was sold out. Uh, Now that this is passing, or it's a little bit easier right now to find those products. So Mobvoi, maybe you don't know Mobvoi for that kind of equipment. Maybe you know Mobvoi because of the TicWatch, or they have AirPods and other products. But this kind of products like fitness products, treadmills, and that kind of stuff is kind of new for them. That doesn't mean that they're bad at that. I love TicWatch. Uh, by the way, I recommend to use a fitness tracker or a TicWatch if you are going into Mobvoi work, because this treadmill is very good, but the measure that they use is kilometers. They use kilograms, and so here in the US we are not used to those measurements. So what I recommend is to use something that can tell you your measures and the way that you understand it. If we start unboxing this, is a very basic unbox. Is a very big device. Is has like two, I believe, like 6 screws in total. So it's not that difficult. Anyone can do it. This is a little bit heavy if you want to, move the device along without the wheel. So if you want to assemble the device, maybe if you are a girl or someone that does not have that strength, that you're gonna need a little bit of help. But otherwise, it's a very simple assembly. Is a very basic unboxing. Very easy to assembly. Is you just need they have a Allen key and maybe a screwdriver, and that's it. You can do it yourself. It's a very basic treadmill. Small. I believe the max weight that this support for a user is 265 pounds. So it's average for most of the people. So I was looking for something like this because of last year in 2020 I was trying to run on parks and all that, because all the gyms that were closed at that time. But I was trying to find a product like this at that time. It was impossible to find it because everything was sold out. So after this we moved to a bigger place, and now we have a place where to have all this stuff, and I decided to get one. I believe the price is $449 right now in the US, and it's a very good if you are trying to have something to get in that mood, the fitness mood. It's a very good product. You can walk, you can run or jog with this device. Something that you have to keep in mind is we live in a house, so we have this device on the first floor, so we don't have no one under the place where we have the treadmill. But maybe in an apartment, I cannot tell you that, because maybe the vibration of the device may be annoying for the people. And if you live in an apartment, the apartment below you, that's something that you have to keep in mind. Otherwise, it's a very quiet device. It's really good. You have something else that I can say about this product. I can say a lot of things about this product, but good and bad. There are more good stuff that I can say about the device than bad. Something that is, for me, is bad there are like 2-3 things that I told you the first one already about the measurement, that we are in the US and we used to have pounds and miles and that kind of stuff, and this is very difficult if you want to trace what you're doing at the moment. Is you have to be converting that, but it's not a big deal. If you can use that, you can do it. The cable, they have a power cable. It is too short. I believe it's like 2 feet. It's short, so if you are planning to have this in a place where it's far away from a power outlet, you're gonna need an extension cord, so keep that in mind. And the other thing that annoys me is let me try to get the remote control. Maybe it's only me. I have the remote control on me. Maybe, I don't know if you can see it there. Okay, if you see it there, you see the plus and minus. That's for the speed. So if you want to increase the speed, obviously you're gonna press the plus, and you want to decrease the speed, you're gonna press the minus. I believe it's a little bit confusing. It happened to me like twice already, that for me, I don't know you, maybe it's okay for other people, but the plus should be on where the minus is and the minus where the plus is. I don't know if it's only me. If you have this treadmill already and this annoys you, please comment down below, because I think I can't believe that this only me that I'm trying to, that you're running or jogging and this device, and you're trying to decrease the speed, and you press the wrong button and you are increasing the speed. That is crazy. So, but otherwise, it's a really good device. It has a really loud sound when you turn on the device. It's a really loud sound, like electronic beeping or something like that. Is really loud. When you are using the device, it's really quiet. It's not that loud. You have something else that I can say about the device. I have a front display. The only buttons that you can touch and they're functional on the touch bar, they react to the touch, is on and off, and the plus is basically the same that you have on the remote control. The power, plus and minus. You have different scales, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe is until 9. But will be great maybe for version 2 that you can touch the number that represent the speed that you want at that particular time, and the device jump to that speed. This is not working right now. The numbers, if you press the buttons on the numbers, that's not gonna work. It doesn't react to any touch on the numbers, only power, the on and off, and the plus and minus. But you can increase the speed with the plus and minus. It's very so at times very unstable. When you press it once, it increases the speed like twice, and the same happen when you press the minus. But it may be some, I don't know where it is that you have the sensor here. I don't know where is the receiver in the machine. Maybe is that I'm pointing to a different place or something like that. Maybe me that I'm doing something wrong, but besides that, it's a really great device if you want to have something at home to to be in good shape and try to if something happen again, I hope no, but at least you have something at home to exercise. It's good to have this stuff. I didn't know how important it was to have exercise equipment at home until all this happened. I don't know if that happened to you. Comment down below if that happened to you, because after that I started to I don't know if you seen on the video that we have a spinning bike. Also after the pandemic, we bought that, we bought the treadmill, dumbbells, so whole different kind of stuff related to fitness, because we learned that we need that stuff, because if you have to lock down for a month, 2 months, you cannot be inactive. You need something to do, because if not, you're gonna gain like, I don't know, 200 pounds in 2 months. So we don't want that. Not only for aesthetic, just your health. Well, that's everything I have to say about the device. If you already have the device, tell me what your opinion about the device. I really like it. There are 2-3 things that it can be improved on the version 2. I hope they do it. Tell me if you are doing the same as me, that they're starting buying. Now you can find the stuff like dumbbells. Tried to find a dumbbell a year ago. It was a mess. It was impossible. Right now you can go to stores and they start having that stuff again. So my advice, try to buy once in a while the dumbbells, treadmill, fitness equipment, little by little, because if something happens, at least you already have it, and you can do something. It's better do something than nothing. So if you want to tell me what's your opinion about this treadmill, if you like it, if you tried or you want to buy it, tell me down below on the comments. And if you like this video, as always, please give me one of these. If you are not subscribed yet, do so. What are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button, and help me out. See you on the next one. Bye.